Hi everyone, this is Christy. I am the assistant sound designer and the audio engineer at the Rose Theater. I thought it would be really fun to show you how I create an ambiance effect on stage. We're gonna combine a couple of recorded sounds and a couple of found sounds and create maybe a forest effect, I think is what we're going for. Now this does take a little bit of time, so we're gonna split up the videos. First we are gonna do a recording sounds from found objects. And then I think we're gonna do just the editing of the sounds and then putting them all together. So this should be 3 videos. Hopefully you learn a lot from them. I am using all of the sounds I recorded from my phone, and I am also gonna be using a free editing software. If you want to follow along in the next video, please ask your adult if you can download. It's called Audacity, and with your adult's permission, go ahead and download it. It's free, it's simple, it's a lot of fun, and yeah, so let's get started. Let's start by just turning on the sync and hearing what we hear. So I also have the sink covered up, so we're going to get the sound of the water coming from the faucet and hitting the water over there. So yeah, let that record for a couple of seconds. Splashing just my hands. Okay, and then we're gonna fill up this bowl, and it's gonna sound different because it's not on the sink. A little bit more. Alrighty. Then we're gonna dump this. Alright, and then we're gonna do some swirlies. Oops. Oh, well, that'll be a fun sound. And then let's also do got this straw, and then we're gonna blow on it. We're gonna go. Then let's do a slower version of that. I think I have to put more water in it. Alright. That splashed at me. Alright. What else can we do? Alright, let's see. Is there any other sounds I can see around me? Alright. Those are going to be our water sounds, and we'll see if we can make anything up from that, okay? So I forgot a really fun sound that we're going to make. We're going to... Yeah. Alrighty, so I went outside in just my neighborhood, and I found some rocks, and I found some sticks, and I found some tree branches and foliage that has fallen. I did not rip this off of any trees. I want to make sure I say that because it's not fun to kill trees. So that was really nerdy of me. We're gonna continue on. All right, with my shoe, I'm gonna do some steps. So now we're gonna do some running. And then we're gonna do some branch breaking. Also got some rocks. And let's just move it around. Sometimes we don't really know what we're gonna do with the sound we're recording. We're just wanting to experiment and have fun. And then when it comes down to listening to the sounds that we heard, it can spark the imagination. So let's just... Awesome. All right, I think those are pretty good earth sounds. Okay, I don't know if you can. It's really early in the morning right now. I'm trying to hopefully not get too many cars on this recording, but the birds are active, so let's see if we can have a listen. I have my recorder here, but I'm also recording with my phone. Alrighty, cool. So if you noticed, I did not edit any of those videos. You can hear me breathing. You can hear my fan, I think, in one of them. These are all things that we're going to attempt to fix in the next video. We're also going to manipulate the sounds so that we get the sound that we want from them. So yeah, again, ask your adult if you can download the software, and I'll see you next time.